Workforce management reports help you uncover insights into your team's overall performance, productivity, efficiency, and costs. With savable templates and scheduled exports, you can reduce the manual effort required for generating recurring historical reports for your team. Let's check it out. To access reports, click the folder icon and select Reports. The Reports page offers 3 pre-built templates. The Agent Activity Report provides a historical view of each agent's activities and an overview of agents' adherence percentage, productivity points, and paid and unpaid time. The Agent Attendance Report allows you to view historical agent attendance, and the Time Off Report lets you view your agent's approved time off requests. You can use the pre-built templates or customize them by clicking the 3-dot button to duplicate them and then editing the duplicated version. You can also create your own from scratch. Let's create one now that reports on a specific team's productivity. We will do so by clicking on the plus icon and giving our report a name. The default time zone from your account will be used for the report, but you can select a different one if your agent's or team's time zone does not match yours. This selection will be used to accurately calculate the 24-hour period of activity. Click to expand the metrics field and select which metrics you want to be displayed in your report. You can learn more about our reportable metrics in our Help Center. The metrics selected will be added as unique columns in your report. Next, you can determine how you would like to group the reported metrics, and you can select up to 3 different grouping attributes. The groups will become nested, expandable line items within your report. We will take a look at how this is displayed once we have generated the report. You can select your Zendesk custom fields as a grouping attribute. When doing so, you must select the field from the custom field menu that appears. In our example, we will group by agent name, activity type, and time breakdown, so we get a detailed view of how our agents are spending their time throughout the day. When grouping by a time attribute, you can select the specific time intervals displayed in the report when viewing up to 7 days worth of data. When viewing more than 7 days worth of data in a report, the time attribute will be displayed as the following. Finally, you can use the filter options to specify which data you want to analyze in the report. For example, we are building the report for Greg's team's productivity. Therefore, we will add a filter to only report on Greg's team. When you are done setting up your report, don't forget to save, and your report will now be found under your custom report templates. You can select from the date selector exactly the time frame you want to view the report against. Each column in the report represents the metrics we chose to report on. The first column displays how we chose to group our data. In our example, we chose by agent name, activity type, and time breakdown. By expanding the row, we can now see a detailed breakdown of how long Greg's agents spent on each task, and by expanding again, we can see exactly when the time was spent on each activity during the day. This can help Greg uncover inefficiencies in his team. For example, Lilith handled less tickets than other teammates. By expanding Lilith's row, we can uncover that she had an additional 50-minute break, a 15-minute meeting, and half an hour of untracked time in her day, which is likely the cause of her handling less tickets than others. You can click on the pencil icon to edit your custom report, and click on Export CSV to send the file directly to your email. Reports can also be sent automatically to different people within your organization by clicking on the calendar. Click the plus icon, and here you can specify a name for the export, select the recipients, choose the day and time the report should be generated, and define the date range of the data to be included. You can additionally set recurring exports by toggling the button and defining the cadence. Finally, you can click the 3-dot button in the report itself to additionally duplicate or delete the report. For example, duplicating your report template can be very useful when you need to create the same report but across different teams. Workforce management reports are a powerful tool to help you better understand your team's performance, spot inefficiencies, and make data-driven decisions.